and welcome again to my kitchen. So today we'll be cooking Chopsuey. This is very popular in the Philippines, especially when there's something special, birthdays or fiesta or anything. So let's start. Add our garlic. In this recipe, you can always add whatever your favorite vegetable is. So let's just saute our shrimp. Okay, so let's set this aside. They're not thoroughly cooked yet because we'll add them later. Because if you let them cook with the vegetables, then they become rubbery. And we don't want rubbery shrimps. Okay, on the same pan, let's add our onion. And wait for this to be translucent. Okay, so let's add oyster sauce. Some pepper. And I have here pork broth where I boiled my what do you call this, pata. So I'll be using it. You can use chicken broth or any vegetable broth, or if you don't have, then you can use just plain water. Okay. So you can taste this if the saltiness is okay. Syrup. I'm also adding some magic syrup for that added flavor. Now let's just wait for this to boil. Okay, so now we can add our carrots. The hardest vegetable you've got comes first. Just give it this 2 or 3 minutes before we add our cauliflower. I'm also adding water chestnuts. I canned. I don't know how do you call it in Tagalog, but we call this apulid in Kapampangan. There. So we'll add this nice addition to our chopsuey. So 4 to 5 minutes. Okay, so we can add our green and red bell pepper. I will leave this half cook because I'll be serving it tonight yet. And it's only 1 o'clock. But I have to cook a lot. So now we can add our slurry. About 1.5 tablespoons of flour into, let's say, 1/2 cup of water. Don't overcook your vegetables, okay? This is very good for the vegetarians. Just omit the... I don't know if they eat shrimps, but you just can omit the shrimps and add some those chicken that are not really chicken. I don't know how you call it. Then we'll add our shrimps. The chicken imitation. Okay, I'm going to get my flour. Just lower your fire. Everything is falling. So just continue mixing this until everything is half cooked, okay? We're just waiting for the cabbage to be half cooked at this moment. Okay, lastly, we add our quail eggs. And it's ready to serve. I also added some more pork broth because this is a lot. Okay, so let's serve. And this is our cooked chopsuey. The vegetables are so crispy. Actually, they're half cooked right now. But the sauce is delicious. So again, there you have it. Another recipe from my kitchen. So thank you very much for watching and supporting my channel. And for those who have not subscribed yet, please don't forget to click on that subscribe button, okay? Thank you and God bless everyone. Look at that.